I have this large crack here on this bridge at the treble on this upright piano. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this and clamp it, and this should strengthen the bridge. Now these tuning pins, they appear to be pretty tight, even though this crack appears to be very large. But I'm gonna clamp it and see how well it will hold. Okay, so I applied some wood glue and clamped it, and I'm gonna leave it like that for at least 24 hours, and we'll come back and see if it's gonna hold once I remove the clamp. So I let the glue sit for 24 hours, and this is how it came up. It's not perfect, but pretty good.